Can you all hear me clearly? Can you all hear me clearly? Okay. Is it clear? The chapter is clear? Very good. So let's move to the next chapter. We started with next chapter. Which was the next chapter? Strategies for the enhancement of food production, right? Yes. Yes. So what was the last point we discussed in the strategies of enhancement of food production? Cheese. Okay. Now, in the dairy farm management, we need to deal with process and system that, see, when we are growing the cow, when we are growing the cow or we're maintaining the cow for a reason, okay, for a reason. What is the reason? To increase the yield, to increase the quality, right? So for all this thing, we need to follow some, that is called dairy farm management. How do they manage the farm? They cannot keep it dirty, they cannot give a poor food, they cannot leave them unimmunized, like, you know. So everything needs to be taken care. So what are the things that need to be taken care in the dairy farm management? Let us discuss this. Everybody write down in. I hope until here last class everything is clear. In. Oh, what's wrong? Just a minute. In dairy farm management, deal with process and system that increase high yield and improve quality of milk and improve quality of milk. The first one is selection of breed. See, when we know that we have to grow the breed or the cow for some purpose, we need it for what? So that we can improve our quality. So first thing is selection of the breed should be very good. Okay, means it should not be it should be resistance to disease, it should give a high yield of milk. So we will select something which is better, right? So selection of breed, first thing. In the selection of breed, that is giving you high yielding potentiality, that should have selection of good breeds having high yield potential. One is they should be high yielding potential, they should have a high yielding potential. The next what would be, the next is they should be resistance to disease, they should be resistance to disease, they should not fall sick very regularly, they should not fall sick regularly. Next, you have selected the breeds, but to keep them in a good condition, you need their housing, right? They should be well housed. They cannot be just left under this, under the sky, where they come across the heat, they come across the water, I mean the rain. So they should not be just left under the without the roof. So they need to. The second important thing that you should take care is their housing. Cattle should be housed well, housed well, should be given, very important, should be given adequate water. The drinking facilities should be provided with the good drinking water. Can you all see the screen? Now, it's always said in the things what they eat, they provide that nourishment. The food what you give them, it's very important. The feed, the roughage, or the fiber, the concentrates, what you give, the food what you give, that determines the quality of the milk. Okay. So the next important thing is feed. Feeding of cattle should be carried out. Feeding of this chapter is important, my dear students. This chapter and then cattle and then biotechnology chapter is very important. Questions will be from here. Should be carried out in a scientific manner, providing quality and quantity of fodder. What you provide, the fodder, the food, what you provide is important. The quality also and the quantity also. The feed, the feed consists of, Tanish, are you writing it down? Components. Where is your summary, Tanish? The system is online, so you thought ma'am will not ask you. Where is the summary? Okay, good. The others, please mail me. Okay, better you people mail me. Otherwise, my phone will be every time with notification. Too many. Too many notifications. It includes silage is a grass. Okay, green grass. Yes, it is. Yes. Straw, hay, fodder, all comes under roughage. One category. The second category of this is concentrates. Concentrates means a grain mixture. Grain mixture, which includes broken grams, cereals, and millets. These all are the grains. Rice polish that comes out during the rice polish. Cotton seeds. Oil cake. Oil seeds. Then minerals and vitamins are added to the feed of high yielding cows. So basically it means the provide the what kind of food you give is very important to increase the yield of milk, yield of cow. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Any difficulties until here? It's very easy chapter that you need to understand. Okay, it's we all know this. So if it has to be disease free, the fourth point that we need to discuss after the feed, protection, housing, and feed, and then we come to a fourth point, that is what? Cleanliness. Maintaining the cleanliness is very, very important in the house, in the housing of the shed of the herd of the cow, right? Cleanliness and hygiene, cleanliness and hygiene should be maintained. This is my should, 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 should be maintained while milking. Very important, my dear student. This point is very important because you cannot milk at dirty places, right? Milking, then the storage and and transport, sorry, transport of the milk and its product. Write down this. Do let me know once you're done with this. Then we'll talk ahead. Done? Everybody done? What about the others? Are you all there? Okay, done. Okay, done. So do you have any doubts with this? Okay, Aryan is there. Good. Sorry, yeah. Some of the common cattle diseases. Okay. Now we'll be discussing some of the common cattle diseases. Whatever required for this chapter will be covered here. Okay. Everything that is required for the exam point of view and the board point of view will be covered. So the first disease, foot and mouth disease. Heard about foot and mouth disease in cattle? It is severe. It is severe, highly contagious. Means you all know what is contagious diseases. And it's a viral disease. A viral disease. The next is anthrax. Anthrax is caused by bacterium. Is caused by bacterium, that is Bacillus anthracis. This disease is contagious. This disease is contagious and affects cattle, buffaloes, horse, sheep, then goats. Yeah. In animals, okay, that's it. Yeah, you have to know only this. That's it. Next. Anthrax, they usually have shortness of breath, coughing of blood. You can write down if you need, but they not ask you. You can write down coughing with when you cough, there is a come out of like along with the cough there is a blood which comes out, and also shortness of breath. Clear, Abida? Next, C is mastitis. It is an inflammation. No, it's a human. No, it's not a human disease. It's a animal, cattle disease basically. It is the inflammation of udder. What is udder? That often occurs in dry cow due to infections of bacteria. What is udder? What is this term? Anybody? Hmm? This part is called udder. Clear? Can you see the screen? Yes? It's inflammation of this udder and happens due to the basically due to what? Due to infection. Dry cow means the one who is not producing the milk, where the milk is not been produced. What happened? No, ma'am, for what? Cannot see now? Can you all see the screen?
Now it's visible.
Okay, wait. Write down. Are you done until here? Yeah, today my internet connection is not so strong. There is some work which is going on. So they said by 6:30 it will be okay. Let's see. I'm hoping it to be. But are you done until here or do you want more time? I can give you time to write down, copy this down. And if you have doubts, you can ask me. And there's one more. This is very important. This question is asked many times. I've seen this question. Rinderpest. The next disease is rinderpest or cattle plague. This disease is caused by virus and is highly contagious. Diarrhea is a main symptom. Then most of the cattle diseases can be prevented by timely vaccination and by taking necessary preventive measures. Measures. Done? Do let me know, go through it and do let me know if you have any doubts. Then we'll go to the next topic, that is animal breeding. Go through. If you have any doubts, do let me know. See, whatever summaries you have made, see that you keep them at one place. Do not lose it. Do not let your hard work goes waste. To keep it with you all. Okay, all the summaries. This Melita. Yeah. She has really done well. She has make out the points very nicely in the diary. That's nice. She has made the summary next. Dipangsha, let me check. Okay, good. She has made some flow charts to understand it. That's nice. See, summary should not be in a point. I always not in a point means not in a paragraph. It should be always something like flow chart, something drawing, something match the following, something that's a mind gap. Okay, where you're making your studies simplifying, not where you are making your studies more complicated. When you see summary, oh, you should feel like we'll go through it. So amazingly it looks. So let me go through it. Renuka, I've submitted. Okay, nice. You have done only about the ancestor, Renuka. Okay, done. Do you have any doubts, my dear students? It's a very understanding topic. There's nothing that your teacher need to be. It's very general, where you yourself can answer the question. It's a very general topic. Now, in further, we'll be doing this in detail with lots of tricks that you need to learn, lots of breeds that you need to learn. We learn this slow by slow. Is it understand until here? Can we move to the animal breeding? Can we all move to the animal breeding? Animal breeding. Nathan, are you there? Breeding of animal is important aspects of animal husbandry. Breeding of, what I said, breeding of animals is an important aspect of animal husbandry. So what do you mean by breed? Let us discuss what do you mean by breed. Then we'll see how the different types of breeding methods. Okay. First, breed. A group of animals. A group of animals related by descent and similar in most character like general appearance, feature, size, etc. are said by or said has belonged to a breed. Belong to a breed. So a group of animals which are very related to similar, those are said to be a common breed. So here the important question will not be about the breeds, it will be about the method of animal breeding. A very important question. This year also there was a question. You people will tell me which question was that, okay, as we go through. Method of animal breeding. The next very important, a question will be from here. Are you done with the writing, this part? If not, please write it down. Methods of animal breeding. A very important. There are two methods of animal breeding. Okay. How many? Two methods. One is inbreeding. Other is outbreeding. First, we'll discuss about the inbreeding. Understand this. Refer to the mating. Mating means, mating of more closely related individual within within the same breed, similar, same breed for 4 to 6 generation. Inbreed मतलब क्या है? Mating of more closely related individual within same breed. 4 to 6 generation is called inbreeding. Within the breeding, the progeny is also same, 4 to 6 generation, same breeds or most closely related individuals, but within the same breed. This is called inbreeding. Example, superior, all these are very important, superior cow and superior bull. Superior cow means the one which gives good milk, superior cow that has or which gives rise to super progeny, like the sperm production is very high. So superior bull, the one in the same breed. Okay, this selection of animals is happening in the same breed. In the same breed, you select a superior cow and superior bull of same breed, are identified and mated. I hope everybody knows what is mated. If not, you can ask me. And hope they are mated. Then the superior male in female in case of cattle is cow. This superior cow is that produce more milk per lactation. It's a very superior cow which produces more milk. While superior male is that bull which give rise to more progeny, superior progeny. As compared to those of other males. Very important here, the sentence what I'm writing it now. I'll write down and then I'll give you time to write. Inbreeding, it's a one word. Inbreeding increases homozygosity and decreases genetic variation. Do you agree with me? Sorry, not increase, it is decrease. I have written it. Decrease. Write down, very easy to understand. Done? Tanesh will discuss about crossbreeding. Yeah, that will be under outbreeding. We'll discuss in some time. Did you all understand what is inbreeding? Inbreeding matlab within the breeds. Is it clear? So that will lead to decreases genetic variation. You know what is variation now. The next question, the next outbreeding. Outbreeding. So what is outbreeding? I hope each and everybody in the class have understood the inbreeding there. Important concept. Yes, everyone. Outbreeding. Let's write down about the outbreeding. Is the breeding of unrelated animals which may be between individual of same breeds of the same breed. Listen to this. Same breed, but having no common ancestor. But having no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. Unrelated animals might be a same breed, maybe between the individual of same breed, but there is no common ancestor. This parent ancestor is different, other parent ancestor is different, but the breeding might be a same breed. Outbreeding are of two types, very important now. Outcross, three types actually. Outcrossing, crossbreeding, and interspecific breeding. Let us discuss about the crossbreeding. Please concentrate on this. First, outcrossing. We'll write down for this first. It is mating of animals within the same breed. Listen to this. Same breed, but having no common ancestor. Very important. Mating within the same breed, but no common ancestor. These points are important that you should know. सेम ब्रीड हो सकता है बट कॉमन एंसेस्टर्स नहीं है इसमें. नेक्स्ट, क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग. This is usually carried out for increase the milk production. This kind of breed is done usually for increase the milk production. Okay, cross breeding, very important. Now, in cross breeding, listen to this. In cross breeding, superior male of one breed are mated with superior female of another breed. It gives a better breed. first one, Hisardale, is a new breed. Example, this is new breed of sheep developed from Punjab by crossing, very important question, my dear students, Pickenry, Apes, and Merino Ram. Very, very important. This is important. The things what I'm highlighting is important things. One breed of one and another breed of other. It's not the same breed. Another two different breed. One is Bicanary apes, another is Merino Ram, which belongs to entirely two different breed. When they are one is good at one end, other is good at for something else. When you make them together, you get a breed which is very, very new breed with high quality. That is Hisardale. A very important question. Every year a question is asked. Yes, this was a question of MCQ for this year 2020. Very important MCQ questions. You know how many times this question is appeared? So many times this question is appeared. So easily you will get 4 marks without losing anything. Very easy, very easy. Crossbreeding, where one breed with the other breed, the two qualities of breeds, if the one is selected for other, and then this are mated, and then the resultant is Hisardale. They'll ask you, Hisardale is obtained with the crossing of which are the two sheep? You should know the names, very important. Or the two ships will they give, and they'll ask you what is the name of the new breed. You should know the name. Which method that was followed? That is important. Breeding. Now this year question was that same. Cross breeding was a question, right? Answer key. So very important. Very, very important. Let me show you the slide. Crossbreeding. So you can see crossbreeding where resistance disease. You can see this. See where this is also you can write down. When is red Sindhi bull, which is very resistant, and the Jersey cow, you know, it's good for lactation. Can you see the slide? Can you see the slide? So check out there. Red Sindhi bull is resistant to disease and it's very good at progeny also. Whereas lactation is provided by Jersey cow. So this were crossbreed. This breed is different, that breed is different. They belong to two different breeds. But when they crossbreed, they got a Jersey Sindh. They name it as Jersey Sindh, who was seen to be resistant to disease, as strong as red Sindhi bull, and also the lactation. If it was a female, then the lactation was very good. So this is how crossbreeding is done. Next, can you see this Hisardale? Very important names. I want you to remember them right now. Clear? Hiba, which slide? Red Sindhi? Yuvraj, who is this Aman? Aman, I always have some new information. Yuvraj, the bull from Haryana. What happened, Yuvraj? Yuvraj, I'm saying. Aman. What happened, Aman, about the Yuvraj bull? Can you tell us? Yeah, tell us. It's worth for 15 crore.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And then why it is so much? Because it's a crossbreed.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe because of that.
Acha, acha, acha. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is this clear? Examples are clear to everyone? Okay. Next. You are done. Okay, next. Next is interspecific, right now. Yeah, interspecific hybridization. Very important again. Very, very important. Many times this question or that question will be there for you from this chapter. Interspecific hybridization. This is all a direct question. You cannot think of losing or getting negative marks here. In this method, male and female animals, male and female animals of two different species. The species is different here. Of two different species are mated. Example is very, very, very important. That is mule. What is mule? Mule are sturdier and hardier than their parental species. Here, mule is obtained by a crossbreed. Very important again. Cross between. I'll write it here. Cross between male donkey and female horse female horse. Do you got the point? Male donkey and female horse. They are crossed to get a mule who is hard, who is sturdy. You know, the donkey is known for the hard work and the mule is known for the strong. So these two different species were taken and the cross and the progeny that was obtained was mule, and this was a combination of these two both. Write down. Done? Once it's done, do tell. Let me know. Everybody done? Okay, nice. So next we'll move to our pigeon. Nathan, are you there in the class? The next topic we'll be studying is controlled breeding. Are carried out using artificial insemination and MOET. What is MOET? Full form is important. We'll discuss this. Multiple ovulation. Again, a question, MCQ question, a very important MCQ question. Transfer technology. Very important. What is artificial insemination? You know this, right? Artificial insemination. Everybody knows. Do you know what is insemination? Have you studied this before? Yes, we have studied which chapter? Which chapter? No. Yeah, insemination word we have studied in the reproduction, but artificial insemination we have studied in reproductive health. Very good, Avida. So we have studied the term pearl insemination is the term which we studied in human reproduction, but artificial insemination in reproductive health. Collected from the male that is chosen has a parent and injected into the reproductive tract of the selected female by the breeders. So what they do, the semen is collected from the very fertile male, and then they are injected into reproductive tract of a selected female, that is breeding. Okay, so they collect the semen and they transfer into a female body. This is called artificial insemination. Any doubt to anyone regarding the artificial insemination? Am I going fast? Please stop me if you're not able to understand. Sonora, is it clear? Payal, Sia, Renuka, Melita, Hanuman, Ved, Kavya, Sabha, Samuel, Plan B. Is it Plan B is there? Okay. Brayson, Aman, clear? Syed Abdul Rahman, do stop me if I'm fast. If you're not able to understand, do stop. Do stop. Not move. Okay? And neither you allow me to move. Aryan, what about you? Shanil? Shanil, where is homework given? But ma'am will not ask you. Markson, where is the homework which was given to you all? Today. So you all are waiting to send me after I ask you. Kyra, you have sent? Okay, let me check. Mail? Did you mail me, Markson? Or on Teams? I need to check. Ashika, is it clear? Too many less students, huh? Do you have a network issue? I don't know what is the issue. But the reason is very nice. On Teams. Okay, I'll check. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about MOET. Full form is important. MCQ question. MCQ question. Full form is important. What is this? Program to herd improvement. This program is to herd improvement. Herd means, I hope you everybody knows herd. A group of cattle, right? Let us write down multiplication. You know that, right? I'm just writing MOET. Is a program for herd improvement. I hope everybody knows what is herd. What happened in this method? Listen to this. In this method, a cow is administered or administrated by hormone which increase ovulation. Which is the hormone that increases ovulation quickly? Yes, Tanish. Short time. Very good. It is FSH. Very nice. Follicle stimulating hormone. Right? Activity to induce follicular maturation and super ovulation instead of one egg. So a FSH is given so that many ovas are released at one time, not just one egg. Okay. The animals then, super ovulation means around approximately 6 to 8 ovas are released. 6 to 8 ovas or eggs are released per cycle. Not one, 6 to 8 after the injection of more of FSH. Then the animal, then the animal is either mated with an with a bull with an bull with a bull, or artificially inseminated. You can either help to mate the bull with bull, or it can be artificial inseminated this sperm into the female tract. After the mating, the fertilized eggs at 8 to 32 cell stages are recovered. What they do? They recover from where? From the pregnant woman. They recover it either by non-surgical, okay, recover, and then transfer to surrogate mother. Now the genetic mother is available for the another round of superovulation. Then the genetic mother is available for another round of super ovulation. Read this and I'll explain you. See what they do. First thing, they take a cow, they administer the female cow, with FSH, so that the follicle gets stimulated. As follicles get stimulated, there's a release of more of ova, around 6 to 8 ovas. These ovas and this cow is mated with a bull, or artificial insemination is done, so that the sperm will go and meet ova and zygotes are formed. After the formation of zygote, there is a cleavage of 8 to 16 or 32 cell stage. Once this stage is reached, before implantation, they remove this eggs, and then they implant into other surrogacy mother. Surrogate means the female who's carrying somebody else's baby. So those are called surrogacy mother. So they are implanted into the surrogate mother, and this genetic mother who was pregnant is now able to go for the second round of ovulation, because it is super ovulatory. It has a super ovulatory power, so it is going for the second round. Like this, they are able to increase the herd number. Is it point clear? Any difficulties? Any difficulties to anyone? So, are you done writing? Okay. I hope everybody have done writing. It's not only me who is writing here. I hope everybody is done writing. Is it me who is writing, or you all are writing there? Don't remember, I might ask you for the notes anytime. Tanesh, remember, I might ask you for notes anytime. Written notes. Boys and girls, I'm telling you, I might ask you. Yeah, Tanesh, and you will be the first one on my list. And you will be the first one on my list. So remember, I might ask you the notes. You're ready? That's really nice. Let me see. Okay, Aman is also writing. That's good. I want each and everybody to write. These are very important notes. It's not from one textbook. So I'm telling you to please write down. Okay. Abida, are you done writing? Okay. Next. Can you see the mule? Male donkey who is a hard-working, female horse who is steady. So together they are forming a mule. Interspecific hybridization. Okay, very important. Next. Artificial insemination. A semen is collected from the superior male. Okay, a semen is collected. Then semen is injected into the vagina of cow, or they can be mating, or they can be injected. Sorry, artificial insemination, it should be only injected, right? Into the vagina of cow. Next, multiple. Yeah, mule will be sterile. They do not produce anything. They are sterile. Then there is what I'm saying. Yeah. Here, can you see the multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology slide? Okay. So here what happened, gonadotrophic hormone, mostly FSH, okay, and LH in some cows, but mostly it is FSH, is injected into the cow. Then there multiple ovulation takes place where superovulation. Can you see the slide of superovulation? Superovulation to 6 to 18 eggs are produced. Can you see the slide of superovulation 6 to 8 eggs?
No, ma'am.
No? Kinmin can see. What about others? Can you see now? Yes. Now, after superovulation, you know what is the next step? Mating, right? Can you see the cow mating? I mean, the cross between the cow, both the cows. Then there is a fertilization that happens. Can you see the fertilization slide? Then after the fertilization, then there is a division of cells. 6 to 32 cell stage inside the female. After that fertilization, after the cleavage, then comes surrogate mother, transfer of this into the surrogacy. Can you see this? Can you see the surrogate mother slide?
No, ma'am.
No? Now you can see. Can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then this, now the genetic mother is ready for superovulation for the next. The genetic mother is ready for superovulation for next. Understood what is MOET? I'll give you 1 minute to revise quickly. Revise everybody. Everyone will revise. quickly. Then we'll move. If you say that you have understood, then we'll go to the next. Revise quickly, everyone. Abida, Hiba, Sabah, is it clear? Melita, Pearl. Kinmin, is it clear? Breed. Breed of cattle. The next topic. Breed of cattle. Next. There are 26 Indian breed. Tanish, clear Tanish? Of cattle. The cattle breeds are classified into three groups. One is cow, that is adult female. Then there is a bull, which is adult male. Then there is bull lock, that is adult castrated. What is castrated, my dear students? Tell me. What is castrated? Remove of testes. Very good. Yes, sterilized. Very good. Very good. So now comes a very important topic. We try to read it easily. Write down the next topic. Who all are tired? Tired writing? Are you tired writing? No? Wow, very nice. You're not tired. And that Tanishk is not tired. Surprising. Others, what about others? Kinmin says no. Okay. Now we'll very important thing, and then very easy. Okay, we'll try to learn with tricks. Okay, this part. The cows of this breeds, milk breeds means which breeds? What they do provide? The cows of this breeds are good milk producing breeds. However, bullocks are of poor quality. However, bullocks are of poor quality. Did you understood in this breed what is main important thing? The breed provides what? What is the breed provides in milk breed? They are good at what? Milk. I did now. Milk. So here the cows of this are good, but the bulls are not so good. Okay, or of poor quality, this breed. So which are those? Let me write down. What's wrong with this? Okay, anyway. I'm writing it down. Red Sindhi. Red Sindhi. Sahiwal. Milch breeds. These all are milch breeds. Gir and Dioni. So A, B, C, and D. So which are the ones? Those are milking breeds: Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, Gir, and Dioni. What is a trick? Trick to remember is, do not laugh, okay? This is only for your easy. Sindhu, Sahi, May, milk. Tell me what it will be. See, Sindhu, Sahi. Sahi, the name indicates Sahi, so I kept it as Sahi. Sindhu, yeah, Sindhi, Sindhu. Easy to remember. Milch, you know it is milk. What would be the Gir and Dioni? Who will complete this statement? Who will complete this statement? Wow, very nice, Iba. Smarter. It's Gira Dio. Okay? Gira Dio. So Sindhu, Sahi mein mil gira Dio. It's Sindhu for Siddhi for sorry, Sindhu. Sindhi for Sindhu. Sahi mein for Sahiwal. Milk is milch. Gira is gir. And Dio is Dioni. Is it clear? Easy to remember. Yeah, done. Done? Everybody done? No? Okay, Tanish, write down. Done? Okay, the next one is drought cattle. Here in this breed, the bull logs of this breeds are good for working, but cows are poor milk producers. Okay. The question is, Nagmal Kangana's, the trick, this is tricks, okay? Kangana's driver Halla कर हल्ला कर रहा है. Nag is for Nagori. Mal is for Malvi. Kangana is for Kangayam. D is for drought. We are talking about drought breeds. Halakar is for Halikar. These are the breeds name. Done? Any difficulties? Do you have any difficulties with today's class? Milch examples are here. Can you see the milch examples? Done? Any difficulties to anyone for today's class? Before we wind up, you can clear your doubts. Welcome. Scroll down, scroll up. Okay. You're welcome. Bye-bye. No doubts? No doubts? You're welcome. Today's class is clear.